The AMAZFIT Band 7 might have been the top fitness tracker of 2022 if it's the huge battery life, the many sport modes that you have, or simply the really big display. This watch has a lot to offer, so without further ado, let's jump right into. And the first thing to mention about this watch are the 120 sport modes. Not only do you get all of the standards like running, cycling, hiking, and walking, but if you scroll all the way down of your workouts and click on all workouts, you see that this little band has way more. First of all, it's very nice that you have all of your workouts sorted in themes, so you can find them a little bit better, like boxing, dancing, indoor workouts, and ball sports. But also before starting your workout, you can toggle on the auto pause feature or use the virtual pacer to compete against your previous performance. Another thing that you just need to know about the AMAZFIT Band 7 is that you get a built-in mic. That means you get to use the Alexa voice assistant. Now there's a little setup to this before you can use it. You first have to connect the Alexa to your Zap account, which you by the way need to use this watch. And once that is done, you can start timers, you can ask for the weather, do some simple calculations, and just some really basic stuff. Plus the response time is just great. It's really just a matter of 1 or 2 seconds. So when we jump into the watch itself, by swiping down you get to your quick panel with your usual D&D mode, brightness settings, or the theater mode. Swiping up takes you to all of your applications, and left and right through all of your tiles like your daily activity stats, heart rate, your weather, sleep tracker, and your notifications. So on the AMAZFIT Band 7, you may be able to receive all kinds of notifications that you can also customize over in the Zap app and toggle notifications off from specific apps like your email and Amazon. But the thing with the fitness tracker and basically every fitness tracker is that you cannot respond to any text messages, not even with a quick response, which is sometimes the case with other smartwatches. Also, as you can see, we have a few health features like a 24/7 heart rate and SpO2 tracker, which both can be a little bit customized over in the app. Right here you can set high and low heart rate alerts, or you can change the interval in which the heart rate tracks your heart rate. You can set it up to 30 minutes, which saves a lot of your battery life, or you can let it track every minute. The SpO2 tracker also has a low blood O2 alert, and it tracks all day or just on demand. You also get a sleep tracker that is giving you a sleep score and analysis of your sleep, heart rate during the night, breathing quality, and shows you your different sleep stages. And you can even rate your sleep yourself with one of the emojis all the way on the bottom. Also, just like every AMAZFIT smartwatch or fitness tracker, you will get the one-tap measuring, which measures your heart rate, SpO2, and stress at the same time. Some more features on the AMAZFIT Band 7 is that you get a weather forecast for the next couple of days, a standard music player to control your smartphone's music, alarm, you get a calendar, stopwatch, and a timer, but also quite a few watch faces. By default, you get 5 watch faces, of which some are even customizable. So you can change up to 2 different metrics on them. So instead of looking at your steps and your heart rate, you can choose your burn calories and the battery life, just to give you a few examples. Alright, when it comes to the specs, we are talking about a 28-gram lightweight fitness tracker that is water resistant up to 50 meters. We have a huge 1.47-inch AMOLED touch display with tempered glass and an anti-fingerprint coating, which more or less works. And this watch is available in 3 different colors. Now you can get this in this cream color, pink, or black. And as for last, this watch is compatible with iOS and Android smartphones, plus it has a massive 18 days battery life on normal usage and 12 days on heavy usage, which is still super long. Now guys, that's already it for today. If you enjoyed this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace.